Hi, it's Chris at Shure, and we're here at InfoComm 2024 in Las Vegas, and we're introducing some important new features for our MXA line of table, wall, and ceiling array microphones. One of the realities that no one can get away from is that meeting rooms are typically acoustically hostile. You see glass walls, you see concrete, you see all sorts of exposed hard surfaces and open ceilings. And the days of having acoustic treatment and a nice quiet room are virtually non-existent anymore. So we're upping the game with our MXA microphones to better address performance in these difficult spaces. So one thing that's coming up that's new is a feature called virtual acoustic boundary. Now what this does is allow you to define a coverage area for the microphone in the room, but then any sound source that's outside of that coverage area will not be picked up. So it doesn't matter if it's a person talking or someone crumpling chip bags or whatever, the speech is gone. The sound is not there. It's actually a bit spooky to listen to, but it works really, really well. Another thing is called voice activity detection. And what this does is do a better job of identifying speech versus noise sources. So you might have someone who's actually talking and someone a couple seats away who is crumpling or typing on a keyboard or something. The DSP in the microphone will do a better job of removing that extraneous noise while preserving the speech. And then a third thing that we're introducing is part of our IntelliMix Room software, and what that does is it's called AI Deverb. Now we've all been in rooms that sound like some sort of a tin can or a barrel, and what Deverb does is actually look at the characteristics of the reverb trail and then process that sound out. Whether it's a small, very reflective room or a large one, the results are really impressive, and it can make a big difference to intelligibility and just the natural sound quality. So that's what we're going for, is a really transparent sound quality that makes you feel like you're in the same room with people. So all of those features are going to be available coming soon with new firmware updates, so they'll translate backward to existing MXA products and as well as IntelliMix Room software. So be on the lookout for new firmware.